Adding and configuring an IVR menu. Start by navigating to call routing, and then click on IVR menus. Click the plus in the right-hand corner to start adding the IVR. Firstly, you will need to set the IVR's 3-digit ID. If needed, you have the option to bulk add at this stage. Next, we will need to set a name for identification purposes and the option of a custom introduction and invalid option prompt, if you have these uploaded. On the next pages, you are able to configure your options and the desired destinations. On the final step, you are asked to confirm your IVR configuration. We now need to add the IVR into the active call flow. Navigate to call routing, then telephone numbers. Click on the preferred number you wish to apply the IVR to. Next, click on the Destinations drop-down, and select your newly added IVR menu. Lastly, click Save to apply. You have now successfully applied your IVR into your active call flow. Please remember to subscribe, like, and turn notifications on for future uploads. For any queries or further assistance, please contact support via phone on 01603 90 40 90 or via email at support@voicehost.co.uk.